All right, so today we're doing G-wagon stuff. We got the new grill in. So it's quite the masterpiece, I would say. Everything looks good. I've been checking over pretty quick. All the emblems, all the chromes on it. This is the grill this thing is supposed to have, but, well, it has it, but some jackass painted over it. All right, so here we are, and as you guys know, this is my G63. This thing's had the top all sprayed matte or satin black. So the grill, they sprayed over all the chrome in the whole grill. And since it didn't have it bolted in right, the grill actually split from slamming the hood. So what we're going to do today, we're going to pull this baby off, which isn't really that difficult. We're going to show you. There's not one damn video on all the internet how to work on anything on this. We're going to put some videos out about it. All right, so we got that. We back this up. So I got enough room to set the tripod up. And we're going to show you just how to do it. We had a report in the neighborhood that somebody's around stealing stuff. Don't come here. That's fake money too, by the way. And then I also got this in. So we'll be setting that up pretty soon too. Okay, so we have a couple things here. We have an impact with a 10 mil. We have a T25 Torx. I'm gonna step in front of the camera just for a minute there. We're gonna start off with taking the headlight bezels out. We don't need to take them all the way out. We just need to essentially take these two screws out. And these will actually stay in there. You just loosen them up. There's one right there. There's another one right there. Then we're gonna go in here and pick up on that. Something like that. Actually, that's far enough right there. We'll leave her hanging right there. Let's do the other side. We're almost done. This thing, the G-wagon is one of the most expensive Mercedes there is. However, it's actually also probably one of the easiest ones there is to work on. As crazy as that seems. And I think that's why there's such a big popularity on them. There it is. The same thing with this. I'm gonna put that down because that's accident waiting to happen. The little tabs it pops out of. We'll leave that right there. Then let's go in. Somebody's got, there's something funky going on with this. What the hell? That doesn't, not only doesn't sit right, but it's got weird spacers in it that makes it sit up, and that's what broke it. There we go. Let's go and pick this up out of here. There it is. I just pushed the hose clamp off of there real easy. You see it still has a white wrap on it. Pull this hose clamp off and I'll get this out of here and I'll show you guys what the whole situation even is. Okay, so Here's the back. Here's how it looks here. Here's the back of it. They had the lines routed through here. I guess probably the way it's supposed to be from the factory. And I just pulled the clamp off the one end. Look how dirty my fingers are. That way it could pull all the way through, and that was it. You can see a little better comparison here. The state of the grill. See the white wrap on the bottom? You can see they sprayed over all the chrome except for the Mercedes emblem, and you can see how nice. Like, why would you do that? Why? Well, nobody knows, nobody really cares, but that thing's probably headed for the trash can. Probably take the emblem off if that's even a thing and do that. And then here's the front of the G-Wagon without that. Here's our hose going from side to side for squirters. You can see it hooks right here with this hose clamp. And that's pretty much it. There's really not a lot to it. Let's go reassemble it and see how she looks. Okay, so here we are. Let me get right in front of it. Everything's back in. I think it looks 100 times better myself. It's hard to see with the cow catcher on the front there. I need to find one more bolt down the other shop in the bolt bin. I think that looks 1,000 times better. We went through, it's got a little bit of smearies on. I need to wipe it off real good. But yeah, we could definitely live with that. That's for sure. That looks nice compared to that trash that was on it. I cannot wait, absolutely cannot wait to get all the paint work done on this thing. And this would be a very, very, very nice car. I think all 4 of these fender flares are going to have to be painted. The hood, the top, around the windshield, and the spare tire cover is all stuff. Oh, there's a cricket. It's a cricket. And this bumper end caplets, I'm going to have to try to figure out if I can find some of those. That one's got some filler. This spare tire cover, you can see, got a little bit dusty, and we're getting close though. We're getting close to having her perfect as it could be. I think we're just down to paint work. Also, we will be doing videos on the engine on this. I just called the dealership. I'm trying to hold this camera steady, guys. I know it's a nightmare. I called the dealership. We do not have warranty on this. That's fine. I don't care. I didn't want to do a bunch of stuff. Figure out we did have warranty, and I avoided it. So we are going to do spark plugs. We're going to do air filters, cabin air filter, any other thing we get our hands on that might be a potential problem. But it looks like right now, $80K, just some maintenance stuff is due. And I haven't checked the spark plug, but at this point in time, I'm going to put what we need in it, and from a good source. That way there's no question. The engine for this thing, if the engine blows up, is about $13,000 for a used one off eBay. And there's like 2 of them on there, and that's it. So let's hope we don't blow it up. Everything else is doing great. That's gonna be it, guys. Thanks for watching. Can we flip it around without shaking everywhere? Probably not. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. We'll see you later.